Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare ClickUp tags versus labels. We'll dive into their fundamental differences, helping you understand when to use each for optimal task organization. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge to leverage both features effectively, enhancing your workflow management and ensuring your projects are always perfectly categorized. Let's get started and streamline your ClickUp experience. ClickUp tags offer incredible flexibility, acting as versatile identifiers that can span across multiple tasks, lists, and even entire spaces. They are perfect for broad, cross-functional categorization or for temporary groupings that don't fit into a rigid structure. You can create an unlimited number of tags, making them ideal for quick filtering and searching across your entire workspace, providing a dynamic way to manage information. Labels in ClickUp are actually a type of custom field, providing a more structured approach to data. They are best suited for consistent, predefined categories within a specific list or folder, ensuring uniformity. This rigidity helps maintain data consistency, which is crucial for accurate reporting and analysis. You can define up to 25 different label options within a single custom field, offering focused categorization. So, which is better? It truly depends on your needs. Use tags for broad, flexible categorization and when you need cross-workspace visibility. Opt for labels or custom fields when you require structured, consistent data within a specific scope, especially for reporting. The most powerful approach often involves combining both, creating a multi-layered system for task management. Consider your team's workflow and reporting requirements to make the best choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.